Now we will find an expression, or we will find a relation between your average value and mean value for half cycle. So mean value is denoted by your IM or I average, and the peak value is your denoted by your I. That means we have to establish the relation between your mean value and peak value. Already in the previous class we have discussed about your peak value and also average value for one complete cycle. Now we have to consider for a half cycle. So I is equal to I naught sin omega t, where I naught is the peak value of alternating current. Now we can write down Q I is equal to Q by T means dQ by dt, or we can write down dQ is equal to I into dt. Now put the value of your I, that is equal to I naught sin omega t into dt. This is your dQ. So Q is equal to integration of dQ is equal to your I naught sin omega t into dt, but this is for your half cycle, so we have to put the limiting value here from 0 to t1. Clear? So that is equal to Q is equal to I naught remains constant, so take outside. Only we have to integrate here sin omega t dt from 0 to t by 2. That is equal to I naught into, what is the integration of sin x? Differentiation of your cos x is equal to differentiation of cos x, that is equal to minus sin x. That means if you integrate sin x, that will be equal to your minus sin x. So we can put minus cos omega t divided by omega, or we can write down minus I naught from 0 to t by I naught by omega into cos omega t from 0 to t by 2, or we can write down minus I naught omega is equal to 2 pi by t cos omega t. Cos, instead of omega you can write down 2 pi by t into, put the value of a limiting value, which is upper limit is a t by 2. So t by 2 minus lower limit. Lower limit cos omega into 0, that is equal to 0. Now that is equal to minus I naught into t by 2 pi into t cancel, t cancel. That is equal to only cos pi minus cos 0. Now put the value of your cos 0 and cos pi. Cos 0 which is equal to your 1, cos pi same value but with negative sign. That means minus 1. So Q is equal to minus I naught into t divided by 2 pi into minus 1 minus 1. or you can write down minus I naught into t divided by 2 pi into minus 2. Minus minus will be plus, 2 will be cancel, or q is equal to I naught into t divided by pi. Now, according to the definition of the average value, q is equal to I naught t by pi. Now, according to the definition of the average value of your alternating current per half cycle, we can write down Im or Iaverage is equal to q, because it will send the same amount of charge per half cycle, divided by t by 2. Now put the value of your q, that is equal to I naught into t divided by pi into t by 2. That is equal to I naught t by pi into 2. T will be cancelled, so that is equal to 2 I naught divided by pi. So our final expression is equal to I average is equal to 2 I naught divided by pi. Or indirectly we can say this is the relation between your peak value and mean value or average value of alternating current. If you can put the value of your pi, then this expression becomes I average is equal to 0.637 into I. Both the expressions are same.